Hi, I'm Bill Murphy with Fairway Mortgage. I'm joined by my colleague and team member, Monica Keith. Thanks for joining us, Monica.
Thanks for having me, Bill.
Outside our Fairway office in this beautiful spring market and attending many open houses. Monica, you go to many on the weekends. Tell us a little bit about what you're seeing, what's happening out there.
So the open houses have been pretty busy during the weekends, and with a lot of people coming in, it's very important for the agents to be safe. So when you're there, it's important for them to have a buddy, so I assist on the weekends to help with their safety. Another thing is I'm there to greet the clients that come in. If it gets busy and chaotic, you don't know who's coming in and out, so help with the sign-in sheet, as well as following up with the people that come through the open house. On the following Monday, people that don't have an agent, don't have a pre-approval, we're able to help bring that client back to you so you can work them and sell them a house.
Beautiful. Thanks for being here today, Monica, and if anybody needs any help on the weekends with pre-approvals or open houses, we email the Bill Murphy team.
Yep.
And we're available.
All right, thank you, Bill.
Thanks. Speaking of open houses and pre-approvals, many borrowers and buyers right now are saying that they can't find anything in their price range. The inventory is coming on the market. We're talking to a lot of agents, and statistics show that the inventory is coming on. However, when we pre-approved somebody 3 or 4 months ago and they're out there looking in that same price range, rates have dropped so much. For example, anybody that was looking to buy a house with a payment comfortable at where they were at $270,000 can buy that same house with that same payment at $300,000 from where rates were 4 months ago. So let's take a look at a pre-approval, where they were, where they are, and that could open up a new set of price ranges for our buyers that can't find anything in their price range. Give us a call.